I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel Sophie's Stained Glass, a channel dedicated to everything to do with architectural glass, and the sort of channel I would have found really useful when I was starting out because I did a lot of it on my own. So I hope you find it helpful. Check out the other videos, lots of them. Today's video is me drawing a design by hand, and it's going to go into the Designing for Glass playlist, which has got a lot of videos of me designing on computers, which I realise lots of you hate. So this is going back to the low-tech version, which is completely acceptable and probably the way most stained glass artists still design. So I'm just going to plot out my design by hand, and you can see how I do it. It won't be the only way to do it. It's not the right way to do it. It's just how I do it. So I hope you find it helpful, and thank you for watching. So these are the things I use when I'm drawing. You need a straight edge, you need squares, and I tape my paper to the desk, so I use masking tape. Now what I do is I line up my paper. This is a roll of fairly thin paper. Thin is better because when you put it on your light box you can see through it. You can also buy tracing paper this size. So I line it up with the edge of my table, and that will give me my straight edge. And I tape it in place. So the first thing I'm going to do is give myself a right angle. Okay, there we go. Obviously it moved for that one. Now, my measurements. I want to come in 5 mil from the edge here, because that will reflect where the heart of the lead is going to be. So you can do that the low-tech way, like this, which is basically using your piece of lead to give you your cutting line. I've got 5 squares this way, so 402 divided by 5 equals 880. Right. So we're going to see if this is going to work now. I'm just going to do something slightly different because my sums aren't working out very well. I'm showing you this because with the best will in the world and all the experience, things sometimes still don't work nicely. So I do 15 and then another 15, and then I'll do another bit more. So the other way to do it is with dividers. So I know it's going to be about 85. So I've set that to 85. And we'll just walk it across and we'll see how we go. So it needs to be a bit smaller than that. That's not too bad, actually. I think we'll go with that. So that. And then we want 15 mil. Let's do them in a square box so we know which ones we're following. And then we'll give a little space for the lead here, 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 and then This should give us about 15. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's worked out fine. That's it, that's got it. So, bit of patience and a pair of dividers and you're away. And I just want to show you my beautiful set of drawing tools, which I inherited from my father. And it even says Emvarden Mech Eng. He was studying mechanical engineering. And he let me have these when I was a teenager and I was doing technical drawing at school. And I just felt like the cat who got the cream when he gave me these. And they still come in handy, what can I say? I'm my father's daughter. There we go. Now we've got these two lines here, and what we want is a circle for the number. And now when you do technical drawing, you use a very hard lead, like a 4 or a 2, an H4 or an H2. So that obviously will need inking in. Now, how do we draw this in? Well, if I have a lead ruler, I will show you how that works. I don't have my dad's lead ruler anymore, which is quite sad. I know it's around somewhere, but I will show you how I will substitute a lead ruler for a piece of lead to draw my curve. So a lead ruler is a ruler made of lead, so it stands to reason you can do your own, which is what I am doing here. There we go. I haven't put in all the dividings here because I tend to cut those randomly. So that's how I draw one of my designs by hand. And like I said before, it's just how I do it, and I might even do it a bit differently on different occasions because that is my whim. So I hope that's been somewhat useful, and yes, look at my other videos for other tips and tricks, and yeah, thanks. thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.